Welcome back, YouTube. I got me a visitor here, passenger rather, but we have started harvest. Not us personally, but our buddy of ours who we help out quite a bit and help do harvest and planting and all that. He started running a few acres yesterday. He's got a couple gravity wagons full and a bin full on the combine. So we're trying to shuffle some stuff around, set the auger up on the grain bins, and get these empty for him so that we can start running hopefully this afternoon. We got the 10-day forecast is looking amazing. We've got good weather coming. It's first week of October here. Things are going great, and it's just looking like a good year all around. So we're busy trying to get things moved around and get lined up. That way we can just go wide open, try to get it all done in case the weather decides to be silly and change on us. But as of right now, things are looking pretty good. We've got the combine parked there. Like I said, he's got a full grain tank on there. Two big 350 bushel gravity wagons full. We got the semi coming down the road now. I better get out of his way because he's going to turn around here.
Go over here in the grass.
He'll be coming. Got the semi coming, so we're going to take him back to the bins here. As soon as he parks this, we're going to move the auger around, get it set to whatever bin we want, and then we're going to get the 1066 International. We're going to bring it up here and then hook up to one of the wagons and start unloading. We did have an issue with, yeah, just as long as you can hear me. We did have an issue with the sumps not closing here. That one particularly, this one was working, but we had to get that one freed up. But I'm going to stand in here because there's no spreader on. Drop my hat. A little bit more. Straight back.
Is it in the hole?
Barely.
He said barely.
Yeah. Come back about a foot. Sorry for the echo in here. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to get the auger, in case you can see it, where the glare of the sun. There's no spreader in this bin, so we're trying to get it directly in the center of that hole, so that way it falls evenly here on the ground. And the echo, as you can tell, is pretty loud in here, so apologies. You got my towels?
Yeah.
Sweet. He's bringing the 1066. We're gonna go hook up a wagon, bring it down here and empty it. And then we're gonna take the empty wagon back up to this other field down the road. And he's gonna knock that out today. We're gonna unload the other wagon and then the semi. And then try to knock out some more acres.
You're the dog boy.
Whoa. First load hooked up, ready. We're gonna go get down there and set the swing out on the elevator. Make sure it gets lined up. We're gonna dump the first load of beans for 2024. I'm walking around the perimeter of the bin here just to see if there's anything falling off the back, which there isn't, and a good sign. But we did have our first mess on the first load of the year. The load, the swing away, there you go, swing away for the auger rolled back. We didn't have the wheel chalked, and some of it got on the ground because the wagon ain't gonna stop unless you shut the door, and we didn't have the door shut. So we made a mess, which I hope that's not how the rest of the harvest is gonna go. But if you believe in bad omens, well, say a prayer tonight for us, because we're gonna need it. Combine is rolling. He dumped the combine onto the semi here, and we got both gravity wagons empty. So we're dumping in from the semi here into the auger. We're putting it back in the bin. He's running on one of the fields up the road, and he's got the gravity wagons there to dump in when he gets full. So once he gets those wagons full, we'll dump them, and we'll move him down to this field here so he can do it, and then we'll just keep on rolling, knocking out acres, trying to get done. We've got the other wagon down here loading now. The combine's up, cutting that field. We went ahead and moved him from where he was at to down here. Looks like he got a pretty full load on this wagon, so we're right around, there's no yield monitor in that combine, but based on our math about what this wagon holds and what's on the combine, what we're figuring, it's doing about mid 60s to 70, low 60s, maybe, hopefully at least. So that's what we're hoping. We'll know actually when we go to sell it, but obviously you don't know what the market's going to do, so you don't know when that exactly is going to be. So things are going good so far. I assume once we get done with this field, we'll go down to the little 2-acre piece and do that before we go hit the big 60-some acres down over the bottom of the hill, down by the river. Moved across the road from the bins. We got about 30 acres here to do, and then we're going to move back to the 60-some down by the river. We're moving our truck down here because Dad's going to bring both wagons and the 1066 over here for him to dump in, and then I'm going to go get his Ranger and ice cold Mountain Dew for him and keep him running. And Emily's going to get out and take the gator here, and I think we're going to call it a night because it gets dark about 7:30 now, and they won't be able to run as well with the dew on them once it sets in. So we'll get him going for the rest of the night here, and then he'll be out here tomorrow and try to get some more done, and we'll keep on going until we get his done, and then we'll move down to our farm and do our beans, and then hopefully wrap up harvest 2024 and get ready for winter. So